CBSE affiliated schools in Sholinganallur. Babaji Vidhyashram School, Sholinganallur, Chennai. The importance of online learning to students and teachers. Online education has gained significant importance and has become an integral part of our lives during the COVID-19 epidemic. Online lessons are more practical than traditional classes, as both teachers and students from anywhere in the world can attend. Online courses are more popular than traditional ones, but students are less engaged and less sociable. A successful experience can be had by establishing a global connection between students and teachers through the use of online classrooms. Several CBSE affiliated schools use online learning to help students create a global network. Compared to offline learning, online learning has many benefits. Students can take exams when it's most convenient for them, teachers can use innovative teaching techniques, and everyone can study at their own pace. For online learning to be successful, students must be engaged and actively participate, because if they lose focus, online learning can become ineffective. If you take it seriously, online education is undoubtedly the future.